Effortless savings, automate your financial future.
What if you could save money without having to think about it?
Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we're talking about how to automate your savings so that you can effortlessly build your financial future no matter how busy life gets. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to set up automatic savings, reduce stress, and create financial security without lifting a finger every month. Why automating saves you time and energy. Traditional saving requires willpower and discipline, and we know that can be tough. Automating your savings eliminates the need for decision-making every month. Your money goes directly where it needs to without you thinking about it. The power of consistency. Small amounts saved consistently over time can result in big outcomes. Saving automatically encourages a habit that becomes second nature, so you're not tempted to spend your extra cash. The benefits. No more waiting until the end of the month to figure out how much you can save. Helps you meet financial goals without extra effort. Reduces the risk of overspending or impulse buying. What does automating savings mean? Setting up automatic transfers to a savings account without manually doing it each time? Most banks and apps allow you to set up recurring transfers based on your payday or other timeframes, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Common methods of automation, direct deposit into savings. If you have a paycheck, many employers allow you to direct deposit a portion into a savings account directly. Automatic transfers from checking to savings. Set up a fixed transfer to your savings account on payday. Roundups to savings. Apps or banks that round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and deposit the difference into your savings account. Examples of automation. Example. If your paycheck is $2,000, you can set up an automatic $200 transfer to your savings account every 2 weeks. Why you need goals. First, before automating, it's essential to know why you're saving, whether it's for an emergency fund, vacation, retirement, or buying a house. Having clear goals will give you direction. Having a defined goal also allows you to determine how much you should save. How to set goals. Short-term goals, 0, 1 year. Build an emergency fund, save for a vacation, or pay off credit card debt. Mid-term goals, 1, 3 years. Save for a car, home down payment, or pay for higher education. Long-term goals, 3+ years. Retirement, buying a home, or investing. SMART goals. SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. For instance, I want to save $5,000 for an emergency fund in the next 12 months. How automation supports goals. Automation takes the guesswork out of reaching your goals. Once your savings are set up, it ensures your progress continues smoothly. Different types of savings accounts. Traditional savings account. Pros, easy to set up, FDIC insured. Cons, low interest rates, easy access to the funds, which could lead to overspending. High-yield savings accounts. Pros, higher interest rates than regular savings accounts, especially online savings accounts. Cons, might have a minimum balance requirement, not as easily accessible as a checking account. Money market accounts. Pros, higher interest rates, some offer check writing privileges. Cons may require a higher minimum balance, not as liquid as regular savings. Emergency fund account. Consider setting up a separate emergency fund account for peace of mind. This ensures you're not tempted to dip into savings for non-emergencies. Where to automate transfers to? Open an account dedicated solely to your savings goals, so you're less tempted to spend it. Look for accounts with no monthly fees and that offer features like automatic transfers, higher interest, or cashback incentives. Step 1. Choose a bank or app with automation features. Mention popular options for savings automation such as Chime, Alibank, Capital One 360, and Simple. Review whether the bank offers automatic transfers, savings roundups, and no fees for automatic deposits. Step 2. Set up your automation. Direct deposit. Set up with your employer if they allow direct deposit into multiple accounts. Automatic transfers. If your current bank doesn't offer direct deposit into savings, set up an automatic transfer from checking to savings. Roundup apps. Mention apps like Acorns that automatically round up your purchases and save the change for you. Step 3. Monitor and adjust. Even though your savings are automated, it's important to monitor them regularly. Track your progress towards your financial goals and adjust the amount being saved as needed. If you receive a raise or change in income, increase your automatic transfer slightly. Apps that help automate your savings. Acorns rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the change. Great for beginner investors. Automatically invests the money in diversified portfolios, which can help you grow your savings. Digit automatically analyzes your spending patterns and moves small amounts of money into your savings account based on what it thinks you won't miss. Capital allows you to set up automatic savings goals with fun rules. For example, save every time you buy coffee. Chime. No fees with features like automatic savings and roundup purchases, and it automatically transfers a portion of your income to your savings. Using these apps effectively. Choose the app that aligns with your financial goals. Acorns is great for those who want to invest small amounts, while Digit is good for hands-off savings. Set your goals within the app to create a savings plan that works for you. Challenges people face with saving automatically, not having enough income. Discuss tips on budgeting and cutting back on unnecessary expenses to create room for savings. Temptation to withdraw funds. Set up separate accounts for specific goals like an emergency fund or vacation to make it harder to access. Not tracking progress. Review your progress every few months to stay motivated and on track. How to stay motivated. Remind viewers to celebrate small wins. For example, if you've saved $1,000 for an emergency fund, reward yourself with something small and non-financial. Visualize your financial goals. Imagine the feeling of financial security when you reach your savings targets. Recap. Automating your savings ensures you save consistently without thinking about it. Pick the right account. Set up automation and track your goals regularly to stay on top of your financial progress. Call to action. Now it's time to take control of your savings. Set up that first automated transfer today. Let automation work for you and start building your financial future.